Freezing in your garage this winter? Snowflake, what if I told you, for less than $200, you could turn your icy workspace into a cozy retreat? Today, we're revealing the top 5 best garage heaters of 2025, tested for power, efficiency, and real-world performance. The number 1 pick? It's so powerful, it might shock you. All purchase links? Check the description below. Let's find your perfect heater before winter hits hard. Number 1. Briza Infrared Electric Heater. One thing I learned as a mechanic, it's hard to heat a garage and keep it warm. That's why the Briza Infrared Electric Heater is the best garage heater out of all the models we tested. It actually succeeded in heating the whole garage during our tests. This is a great option for warming up when working in a cold garage, and you can walk in front of this heater and instantly feel the warmth on your skin, even if the air is chilly. Infrared heaters are known for quickly warming up objects in their immediate surroundings, which can then cause the air temperature to rise as those objects radiate heat. The Briza Infrared Electric Heater worked especially well during testing, bringing up the air temperature over 12 degrees after running for 30 minutes in our 600 square foot garage. The best thing is that since it heats objects in the garage instead of heating the air, less heat is lost when you open your garage door. Everything in the garage remains warm and starts to radiate heat back into the air as soon as you close the door. Aside from providing quick heat, I like that this heater is portable with the included tripod. Or if you have a permanent installation in mind, you can mount it to the ceiling or a wall. We used the tripod to move the heater around the garage as needed during testing and felt the most heat within 10 feet of the heater. Being able to move it around was also a huge benefit. Number 2. Mr. Heater Portable Propane Forced Air Heater. If you want warmer temperatures fast, I recommend a forced air propane option like this one from Mr. Heater. I've used propane heaters more while camping than in my garage, where I prefer electric heat, but there's no denying that this heater will leave your garage toasty warm, and fast. This heater provided a blast of hot air immediately after lighting up, making the garage comfortable to work in despite the frigid 24-degree weather. Out of the box, the Mr. Heater Portable Propane Forced Air Heater was very lightweight and easy to maneuver, thanks to the convenient handle on top. I love that easy portability, since I'm always moving things around in my garage and don't always want the heater in the same place. Just keep in mind that once you connect it to the fuel source, you can't move it around much, so position it where you need it most, like by your steps or workbench. One of the big trade-offs for the powerful heat output is noisiness. The fan was loud enough to drown out music from a Bluetooth speaker. That isn't a big deal if you don't like to listen to music or podcasts while working in the garage, but during 8 months of testing, we ended up using this to get our shop heated up quickly before switching to a quieter electric heater to maintain the temperature. Number 3. Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Heater. Before I had a waste oil heater installed at my shop, I had this style of ceiling-mounted heater and loved the strong heat output. It doesn't take up any floor or bench space either, which is a huge bonus. We tested this particular model in a 504 square foot tandem garage for 8 months, and it wowed us with its ability to keep a consistent temperature. Even though the outside temperature was just above freezing, we challenged the heater to raise the garage temperature to a comfortable 50 degrees. It took almost 24 hours for the heater to hit 50 degrees, but we still found it impressive due to how cold it was outside. This heater can make your garage quite comfortable, even in frigid conditions. This forced air heater takes the chill off your space from a central spot. The built-in thermostat can be set for a target temperature between 45 and 95 degrees. The front of the heater has 6 adjustable louvers, so you can direct the hot air where you want it, like towards your garage workbench, for example. In exchange for the convenience, be prepared for a higher initial investment and a potentially higher electric bill. You may also need to tack on the cost of professional installation since it has to be wired into power. There was also a low hum when the heater was operating, but it wasn't anywhere near as loud as our best propane pick or to interrupt a normal conversation. Number 4. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Propane Heater. After 8 months of testing, the Mr. Heater Big Buddy Propane Heater remains our favorite portable propane garage heater thanks to its impressive safety features and consistent ability to raise temperatures. We recorded an average temperature increase of 3 degrees every 15 minutes in the garage during testing, which made it a much more comfortable environment for fall and winter projects. I love how portable this heater is, since it's powered by propane cylinders that you can slot right inside the body of the heater. One of the reasons I'm always wary to use a propane-fueled heater in my garage is that someone could trip over the hose, but that's not an issue here. It also has a low oxygen sensor, which makes it safer. It still needs ventilation though. This is a heater I'd love to pack along for camping, fishing, tailgating, and other cool weather outdoor activities. There are 3 heat settings to choose from, 4,000, 9,000, or 18,000 BTU, and you simply turn a dial to adjust the heat, similar to a stove burner. There's no built-in thermostat, so you have to get a feel for the right setting in your garage. The top handle remained cool during testing, which is a feature I love. No surprise burns when trying to move it around. Number 5. Dewalt Hybrid Portable Heater. Although the battery is sold separately, it's interchangeable with all Dewalt tools. So if you have other equipment in your garage or toolbox that relies on Dewalt's 20-volt max battery, like a cordless drill or a hedge trimmer, it will work in this heater as well. Easy setup adds to the appeal of this hybrid portable heater. The instructions are clear and simple to understand, and the heater includes all the supplies needed to connect a propane tank. Once the heater was ready, it warmed up the space in impressive time, with a noticeable temperature change even in the corners of the garage. That being said, it's important to note that this propane garage heater does require ventilation. We made sure to leave the garage door open when the heater was running each time, which limited the heater's effect near the open door. Open garage doors are the bane of keeping warm in my experience, but ventilation is an absolute necessity when burning propane or kerosene. So which garage heater are you getting? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. Smash that like button if this saved you from freezing, share with a friend who's tired of cold fingers, and subscribe for more home improvement gems. Want the best deals? All product links are waiting in the description. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.